What is Web 3.0? Web Web 3.0 is the next evolution of the internet utilizing blockchain technology and the tools of decentralization. In Web 2.0, you are the product as you are browsing social networks. But in Web 3.0, you will be the owner of your content. So if you want to post to stay up, it'll stay up. But if you want to take it down, then you, the content creator, will have the power to take it down. Because we all know this, usually when something is posted to the internet, it will forever be on the internet. Here is one example that is already taking place today. There is a company that uses blockchain technology that allows the user to post videos, and creators can earn tokens as a reward for engaging viewers to watch their video. The thing about this company is that they cannot stop a video from being uploaded. If someone posts the video and someone else in the network wants to share it, they can technically download that video and let others watch that video and download it as well. To elaborate on this, in Web 2.0, when someone posts a video, let's say Facebook, that video would be on Facebook's own server. When someone posts a video on Web 3.0, the video would theoretically be on thousands of computers around the world, ensuring the blockchain network that you are on is not attacked or censored. This might lead to a lot of illegal and hateful posts, but it would be in the name of freedom. Experts and well-known faces in the industry say that Web 3.0 is inevitable. This would lead to an opportunity where every company is run by a decentralized group called the DAO, which means Decentralized Autonomous Organization. DAOs mean that there would be no CEOs or presidents of the companies to impress. The idea is that the ones with the most tokens get to vote on how the company changes and are not limited by government or some family tradition. The whole goal of Web 3.0 is that there would be no censorship of social networks such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Web 3.0, the idea is that your digital identity is not 100% connected to your real-world identity. This means that you'd be able to view pages, download things, and make purchases and any other activity on the internet without being traced to the real you. In summary, these are all theoretical ideas that may be long-term and may take anywhere from at least 5 to 10 years to be fluid in today's society. What Web 3.0 really means for us is that in the next decade, you might be able to buy gift cards using online wallets such as MetaMask and will be able to pay with It is not going to be a bunch of life-changing stuff all at once. It'll likely be a series of ideas that will grow together until companies like Facebook and Google are disassembled by legislator, while unregulated DAOs will grow to replace. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.